My name is TJ Ho. Today, I'm gonna sketch as many people as possible in Toronto subway. Let's do it. I am done. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Love your reading aesthetic, man. What's a book you're reading? Overstory. What's it about?
Stand clear of the doors.
Hard to say.
About trees.
About trees.
Put simply.
So you like nature, of course. Because I noticed on your shirt, made for the lake.
A sweater.
Yeah. So you like nature, of course. Outdoors. Cool. Nice to meet you, man.
Next station,
Have a good day.
Rosedale. Rosedale.
Is it okay if you take a picture with this?